Hi friends, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. Friends, today we will learn use of should be. तुम्हें इस वक्त घर पर होना चाहिए. You should be at home right now. You should be at home right now. तुम्हें स्वार्थी नहीं होना चाहिए. You should not be selfish. You should not be selfish. तुम्हें स्कूल में होना चाहिए. You should be in the school. You should be in the school. मम्मा को किचन में होना चाहिए. मम्मा should be in the kitchen. मम्मा should be in the kitchen. हमें ईमानदार होना चाहिए. We should be honest. We should be honest. तुम्हें खुश होना चाहिए. You should be happy. You should be happy. क्या उसे डॉक्टर होना चाहिए? Should he be a doctor? Should he be a doctor? आपको नरम दिल होना चाहिए. You should be soft-hearted. You should be soft-hearted. हमें मिलनसार होना चाहिए. We should be friendly. We should be friendly. उसे जिद्दी नहीं होना चाहिए. He should not be stubborn. He should not be stubborn. Friends, I hope you understand. Thank you. Bye bye.